Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to get employees full name from email addresses. Here are employees email addresses and I want to get here employee's name. You can see here in this email address, this is a first name of employees, this is a last name of employees, and I want here this name. Just type Numan space Ahmad and select all the cell where you want employee's name and press Ctrl E to get all the employees name. This is a very simple and quick trick to get the employee's name. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. You can also use this second trick. Just drag it to the bottom and here you can see here autofill option. Just click here and select the flash fill. It will get all the employees name. I just press Ctrl Z for undo. And you can also use this third trick. Just select all the cells and here you can select the flash fill. Just click here, it will get all the employees name. This is a very simple and quick trick to get the employees name from email addresses. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.